I lost one of these clips off my front brake caliper, and BMW wants $35 for a kit, I guess for one side, which would include one of these clips. Not about to spend $35 just to get one clip, so I went to my local automotive store and got one of these. Dorman 93036 hitch and hairpin assortment. Okay, comes with a whole bunch of these clips. So as you can see, a whole bunch of clips, different sizes. But the important thing is, there's all the clips. The packet was open when I bought it actually, but he still charged me $3.89 for it. But out of all of these clips, these two come the closest to the standard BMW one. Look at that. Isn't that pretty darn close? The bit in the middle, this piece, the shaft size is about the same for these two here. Let's go to the bike and see how it goes. So the pin fits right on that groove right there, and I believe I'll have to go at an angle. So using our good old needle nose pliers, we just put it in like this and try and push it in at an angle, because the bottom part kind of sticks out a bit. Okay, anyway, just put it in from either angle and see how it goes. That looks like it went on pretty good there. Yeah, and it's rotating fairly nicely, so there you go. Spring clip installed, and let's see how it looks from a slightly different angle. So from that angle, it looks not too bad, not too obvious. Pretty darn good, eh? $3.89 for a whole packet of these things here, and I've got extras for different uses as well. And instead of spending $70 for 2 brake kits to get these 2 clips, I just got this for $3.89.